I should rut that closer. Okay, round two, Belle. Round two. Whew. We got one more load, 15 bags, but I'm gonna go to the gym because I'm not gonna waste the trip to town to come back and then decide to go back again if I do want to go to the gym. But even worse, I'll probably come back, unload, be tired, and I won't want to go to the gym. So the plan is to get ready for the gym now, let buddy stay home, pick up the bags, and if I'm already ready for the gym, I'm already close to the gym, I'll just go and I'll get it over with, and I'll unload the bags when I get home. But that was just an example of the process it takes for me to just get cement. Spend half the day doing that. It's a lot of work, a lot of loading, but in the end it's worth it, I think. Yep, all right. Gym is done. Trash is back. Unloading the rest of the cement. And that's a whole day. It's a whole day.
When I am a learner and learn that the higher you get, they want to earn you. But I gotta keep moving. I know what the mission is. Eye on the prize, man. I know what the vision is. Train for the fight, man. I'm doing conditioning.
All right, a little bit of action today. Here's what you missed. I cleaned up this spot here, found places and got rid of all the junk. There was wood, there's large old pipes, there's junk, there's trash, just kind of stacked up for decades underneath all those leaves and things of that sort. Found a bunch of wood, whatever, a lot of stuff. So the move I'm trying to make today, as I mentioned, I've already mentioned this, you know where I'm gonna put the cement next. It's now time to cut this wall, and I'm gonna just sawzall right down the face of this wood right here. Yeah, maybe you can kind of push it forward like that to keep it straight, and then just kind of stay on the line. That is the plan. Hopefully I might need to get some help to when I cut this wall to move this portion of the wall back and get it kind of stabilized. And then I will try to move this wall over here. That could take some time and effort because I'll probably have to move all that stuff. That is the plan. So get with it. No, don't say that. So let's go. Don't say let's go. So vamos a comenzar. Vamos a comenzar. Yeah, vamos a comenzar. Vamos a empezar. I don't know. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Woo! Look. Yeah, try and go further. Try and go farther than ever without a burner. Feeling like I never quit moving. I am a learner. And learn that the higher you get, they want to earn you. But I gotta keep moving. I know what the mission is. Eye on the prize, man. I know what the vision is. Train for the fight, man. I'm doing conditioning.
Okay, that went fairly smoothly. The cut is a bit crooked, but this piece of wood is rotten anyway. That's gonna have to be replaced eventually. And I can always kind of replace it and cut the plywood back a little bit if I need to. Yeah, and if this isn't quite even with that, I realized that when putting up the wall going in the other direction, I'm gonna have 2x4 at a 90-degree angle that way, which is gonna add 2.5 inches on that side, and it can always be doubled up. It could always be built out more to match with that corner wall there. Right now this is just more of a necessity. So we'll get rid of this stuff, see if we can find a place for it, maybe put the table over there, and then we'll begin to see if we can move this wall. And I hope it's not too difficult, because I've got it like screwed into all these things. It's like this wall here is literally screwed into this wall, and then I've weighed it down by screwing it into this post. It's like it's just a complete hodgepodge. So all that's got to come loose or come undone, and pull this stuff out just to move this wall, and hopefully, and then move all this stuff. Oh Jesus, it's what I keep saying. Like jobs like this, things like this, you're always moving one thing to get it out of the way. You think you put it in a good spot, it'll be there for a while, and then you realize, crap, now I got to move that to it. You always have to move a thing just to later move it to another place, you know. It's what takes a lot of time, really. So yeah, we will get moving with that table, unhook this wall, see what can be done about that next.
Como lo canto y lo siento yo, como bailalo, gózalo, como lo canto y lo siento yo. Bailalo, siento yo, como bailalo, gózalo, bailalo, siento yo, como bailalo.
I think now it's time I got to move all that junk from that corner. Find a place for these two, whatever they are, panels, and see if I can fashion this wall to that side, at least temporarily. Yeah. Got to get that stuff out of there, and maybe just this wood here. I can probably get away with leaving all the other junk in place for now. Yeah. Crap. I let the wall fall on purpose. I thought it might be easier to move, and it got impaled by this spike in the ground, and now I can't move the damn wall. Alright, I'll probably have to lift it. I don't know if it's going to be easy to remove that spike right now. Maybe I can just lift it and keep sliding it somehow. I don't know. We'll see. stake is in there super hard. Look at that, completely bent the hook. Wow, that's crazy. I have no idea what to do now. That is a steel hook, it just frickin' bent. I'll probably try a couple other things if I can figure something out. And if it does not work, then I'm going to have to just grind it down, which I probably just should have done in the first place. All right, gonna give one of these a try. Well, there's our answer. I'm gonna have to shave that down. All right, I need to change the grinder wheel. It's gonna take a bit, the sun's coming down, so I think I'm just gonna get this wall up for the day. Maybe put some stuff around that spike to keep somebody from tripping on it or hurting themselves. So I'll get the wall up and tack it up best I can so it doesn't just fall over. And then clean up a little bit and play with the dog. And then that'll be a day. Oh shit. What have I done? I should rut that closer.
What is that?
It's a stake. It was.
You can't pull it out?
No. That thing is in there stronger than the tractor, the metal hook, and a tow strap. There you have it. There's the big mess I made today. I have to get out here bright and early tomorrow, clean it up, move that wall back a little bit, trash the wood, find some places for all this junk, and begin cleaning out and digging the area for the concrete there. This seems, I mean, it's wobbling. It is wobbly, but it's tacked up there fairly well, at least for now. These two braces in place really opened things up a bunch, actually. Big space here now. It feels much more wide open. It's good to kind of elongate that wall to kind of hide the workspace a bit more. Ideally, when we're finished here, we'll have our cement pad there. We're creating our little room and our workshop here. And then we will have like a carport through space that passes straight through there like a tunnel. Probably be a door right here on the workshop. Considering putting double doors on this side in case something big needs to enter the workshop. But that's kind of the go-to plan here. Build out that space and then create the carport tunnel through with the extra area. So that'll be it for this work day. Time to go play with Cash and then have some dinner. Yeah. Ready? No, come on. Go. Damn, he's fast. Come on, buddy, come on. See you later.